Hi friends, today we are going to talk about type conversions in Python. Type conversion is the process of changing a value from one data type to another. For example, we can convert a string to the integer. Let's look what happens when we add different data types together. For example, if I print 5 plus 5.5, let's run it. You will see it's 10.5. So what's the data type of this result? Let's store it in different variables. For example, I can say number is equal to 5 and then number float. I can write number f for making it shorter. So number f is equal to 5.5, for example. And we add it in different variable. We assign it to the different variable. For example, we can say new number. New number is equal to number plus number f, number float, I mean. If I print it new number, what we will see on the screen? If I print it new number, I run it, you will see 10.5 again. Nothing changed. So, what's the data type of new number? If we want to check the data type, we can use type function. So I copy this, I paste it here. So I'm writing type. So inside the type, I open a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, I cut it and paste it here. So right now we can check it. I run it again. You see class float. So the new number data type is float. Number data type, the data type of number is integer. The data type of number f is float. When we add it, the total, the new number data type is float, you see. So what does it mean? When we add an integer and a float, the result is a float. It's okay. Now, let's talk about explicit type conversion. It means casting. For example, let's convert a float into an integer. Here, I can say my number, for example, my number. We already know is 5.5 is float. If I cast it to the integer, what should I do? I write integer. So I open my parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I'm giving my decimal number. My decimal number is 5.5. So if I print my number, what will we see on the screen? If I print it, my number, I run it, what we will see on the screen? We see 5. The decimal part, the 0.5, is removed. For example, if I write 6, I run again, you see 5. The decimal part is 0.6 is removed. So if the number is negative, for example, minus 2.5, for example, if I run it, you see minus 3. The decimal part is 0.5 is removed again. It doesn't matter whether the number is positive or negative. If we understand this, we can pass to another casting operation. For example, if we convert integer to float, what will we do? For example, I assign new number like that. I define a variable, You see, for converting integer to float, I write float. So inside the parentheses, for example, I write 6. 6 is integer number. If I cast it to the float, if I convert it to the float, what I will see on the screen? I copy print function, so I paste it. I copy my variable name, so I paste it inside the parentheses, inside the print function. So I run again, you see 6.0. The value has been converted to float. So if I want to see its type, let's see it. I copy this, I paste here, I copy my variable name, new number, I paste here. So I run it. You see this is float. Data type of this new number is float. So to summarize, what is casting? Casting means converting one data type to another manually. So we use here integer to convert to the integer and float. You see, float to convert to a float. This is known as explicit type conversion, or we can say casting. So while it's also possible to convert the complex numbers, we usually don't use them in everyday programming. I hope it's clear, everything is clear now. So see you in the next lesson.